Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Malibu LT. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this all black interior with paneling coupled with storage in the bottom, right next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. Seats, you're going to have these heated cloth bucket seats, driver adjustable lumbar here, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist. And right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the cluster control, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, and as well as you can access your gauges, and as well as your eco index. It's going to be push to start. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as you can access OnStar services and climate. Below will be your auto stop, as well as your dual zone climate controls with the heated seats. Just below you're gonna have two USB ports, and as well as a 12 volt with some extra storage. Of course, your center console storage as well. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Chrome accents all the way across. Speakers and vents, and then here just access to reading lamps in your OnStar and SOS. So you're gonna use 18-inch wheels on Arctic Vision tires. You're gonna have the paint match mirror caps as well as the keyless entry door handle. You got tint in the back as well. Get more of your black lettering, bow tie as well. Lots of extra trunk space and your wheel well storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. At the rear interior, again, more paneling storage with the cup holders and the power windows and the chrome accent. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger side with rear ventilation and a rear 12 volt DC port. Here in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps at top, and hooks on the side. Thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Equipped with 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, heated bucket seats, and much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.